Okay, well today is day 6, and day 6 what we're going to try to accomplish is we are going to tape bed and patch holes. So wherever there's holes in the walls, whatever needs to be filled, taped, the new sheetrock, cracks, those are movement cracks. I've had this foundation checked and it seems good. It walks level. It's just, in a house that's 50 years old in Texas, you get movement. But yes, there's another one where we're going to tape that. But as you can see, there's some cracking. It looks like foundation, but if you look, foundation doesn't show any cracks, and neither does the brick outside. But anyways, today is fix holes, windowsills, where brackets were, wherever there's holes, we will patch and fill and get ready for texturing and painting. That is our goal for today, day 6.